Hi, my fan runs at a speed of approximately 870 RPM at 5 volts. This type of fan reaches the speed of 1200 RPM at 12 volts. The 80 mm cooling fan has a built-in brushless DC motor, a controller, and a tachometer output for measuring the fan speed, making it an excellent tool for studying closed-loop motion control. We use a common 80 mm computer cooling 3-wire fan in this experiment. Make sure you get the kind of 3 wires. The third wire is the tachometer output and makes the measuring part a lot easier. We will measure the fan speed using Arduino multifunction shield. The fan selected for this purpose is intended to run at 12 volts but still spin, albeit at a much more leisure pace when powered from only 5 volts. The code: 1. Turn on the pull-up resistor on digital pin D5, which is connected to the open collector tachometer output. The tachometer output changes state for every 90 degrees of fan rotation. These produce 2 full cycles or ticks for every complete rotation of the fan blade. 2. Time counter 1 is configured to operate in the normal mode with no PWM duties. You set the prescale to advance the counter on every rising edge of T1, which happens to be PD5 in AVR-speak, and which is known in the Arduino land as digital pin D5. 3. Setting up timer counter 2 to be your precise 1 second time base. 4. Here is the math. The Arduino is in a frequency of 16 MHz. Divided by maximum prescaler of 1024, we obtain 15,625 Hz. Divided by 125, we have 125 Hz, which represent a period of 0.008 seconds, which in turn is multiplied by 125, resulting in exactly 1 second. Realized? 5. Now that I know it, then just set the timer to 125 Hz and wait 125 times to dial 1 second precisely. I tried to use the interrupt and display the reading on the 7-segment display. Unfortunately, it was not possible because the code already makes use of timer 1 for calculation and the MFS library did not work. To make an extension of this lab, I added another Arduino to the project and collected the information through the analog pins. Use this code right here in the another Arduino and this one in the main Arduino to obtain the graph. Just save serial output to Notepad, import it, and import to a worksheet and generate a chart. I could not come to a solid conclusion. One notice the fan ticks. 2 ticks represents 1 term and nothing else. If you have an oscilloscope with 4 channels, maybe you can send me the graph. The Arduino cannot capture 125 Hz in serial easily. I hope you now know how to capture the speed of 3-wire fans. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know. I would also appreciate your feedback on the content and suggestion for improvement. This is your host, J3. Bye for now.